Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key button, we can see that the camera application is activated. And if you want to change this feature, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. Then click here to the side key, and now and now we can see here the double press feature is activated. Now we can quickly open the camera by double press over the power key. We can switch it here to open just any apps or features. For example, we can turn off the torch, the calendar, Facebook, Google Maps, such as another applications. For example, let's use the torch by double press on the power key, and now let's just press here twice. And we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. You can also switch here just this feature, for example, to open the Play Store. And now let's press twice to the power key, and we can see that the Play Store successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.